Friends, family, professors, administrators, welcome. Today is a very special day for the class of 2020. We thought this day would never come, and now it's finally here. I'm very honored that I was chosen to stand up here today in front of all of you to celebrate the end of our journey. Can you believe it? It was 4 years ago that we walked these halls with the feeling of nervousness about our first day of school. This was a big step because in 4 years we would officially be adults. Time has flown by so fast, more than we can ever imagine. It has been a long 4 years, as well as a short 4 years. Long because of all the drama, sleepless nights, finishing homework, writing papers, and doing every extra credit opportunity. And short because of the lifelong friendships, lasting memories, and all the amazing things we learned throughout all this. Whether our memories are good or bad, I will always remember this place. I will always remember our teachers, how they spent more time on campus than many of us. They were always there teaching us, mentoring us, and building us for lifelong success. This was not easy for many. All the countless hours that they spend after school or on their own time grading, tutoring us. To all my professors, we thank you for your dedication. To our administrative staff, thank you for the job that you do behind the scenes. The school wouldn't run if it wasn't for you. To the counselors who have mentored us to achieving success, to our principals who have implemented rules and discipline, thank you. Also, to the rest of the staff that has made an impact on us at our time here, thank you. Last but not least, a special thanks to our family, parents, and friends for being there through it all. And now a message to my fellow classmates. We're all going to start a new chapter in our lives. We will go our different ways to achieve something great. Most of us will attend a university. Some of us may choose to work right away. And some may choose to defend our country in the armed forces. Just know that whatever you do, it will be great. Don't be scared. If there is anything that we have learned these 4 years, it has taught us that we can do anything we put our minds to it. We have overcome many challenges, and now we are here graduating. And then most importantly, we must remember to always have faith in ourselves, that we can do anything. Congratulations, class of 2020.